Hey guys, it's Joette with ballooncoach.com, and today I want to show you some of the spectacular new things that we have going on in our Balloon Boss Mastermind Dashboard. You simply go to ballooncoach.com, click login, and you sign in with the email address that you purchased your Balloon Boss Mastermind program with and the password that we sent you. If you forget it, you can say forgot password. When you get to your dashboard, if it happens to say suspended, that means that you need to update things with your credit card and make a payment. But if everything is up to date, you go right into your member area where it's going to let you know if you ever need help, send an email to contact@ballooncoach.com and one of our team members will get right with you to help you out. Through our Balloon Boss Mastermind program, you have access to over $5,000 of online training and support that's been created since 2015. With a variety of information from how to market your business, how to create balloon decor, how to increase your confidence with scripts to use when building your customer base and your referral partners, and so much more. So I wanted to make sure that you know that the first thing is being a part of the Balloon Boss Mastermind program is you want to get into the Get Started program, and you want to make sure that you see the updated videos that show you how to use our program. When you get in and you watch a lesson, you can then check that it's done. So the first part is going to welcome you and talk to you about how to join our Facebook group that allows you to have group coaching to share with you the answers to your most asked questions. So you watch the video, you click the link here to join our Facebook group, and then you go to the next lesson. If there's a part that says mark complete, check that box so that you can move on to the next lesson. The next thing we'll do is we'll talk to you about our Thrive Guide. Each week you will get a new Thrive Guide, which gives you a motivation with tips for success to help you take the next step in growing your business. It will also give you a way to write down your goals for the week and the top priorities that you have to help you take action in the next step with your goals for yourself and your business. To download your Thrive Guide, you simply push the blue button that says Go to Thrive Guide, and that will take you to this week's current Thrive Guide. Our Thrive Guide goes from Monday through Sunday. And then you click on the green button that says download this week's Thrive Guide. There'll be tips and hints, and then all of the things for you to fill out. When you go back to the dashboard and going back to getting started, the next video will give you information on our steps for success and on our foundation for business building. Again, each time that you download one of these, you want to mark them as complete so you can get to the next lesson. Also, if you see a lesson that has this green arrow that says expand, you're able to go, oh, okay, I can click right here to go ahead and download my Success Path download. And it makes it really easy then on the next lesson to do the same thing and download your foundation business steps. So I wanted to make sure that you understand that over time, the Getting Started area is the place to get those foundational pieces of information that you may have missed or that you need to update. The next thing within your member dashboard is to know that each month, as you continue in our mastermind program, you have access to new marketing materials. So when you go into the marketing materials, one of the team members is Liz Romani, and each month she is giving you access to her PowerPoints to help you grow your business. The first one that she did is a general template that gives you the general decor guide that you can change to your logo, your design colors for your brand, and your pricing guide. So to download it, you simply click on the Common Decor Guide. And then as it comes up, you push the blue button to download. When you download it, it's going to show up in the bottom left of your screen or maybe somewhere else depending on how your browser works. And after it is downloaded to your computer, you are able to open up that PowerPoint and make the changes to it. So now what it allows you to do is go in and click Enable Editing, and you are able to edit this Within this marketing area is where you can also watch a step-by-step video that we recorded live answering our members' questions to let you know how to use this common decor guide for your business. Being able to go into the actual designs themselves, change the colors to your logo colors or to the school that you're marketing to or the company, and to use these in your marketing. This tool alone is worth the $97 a month for your membership. When you have got that one downloaded, each month you'll have a new one. So our spooktacular tip that's coming up for the fall is that you can go in and download the one that is for promoting for the fall, getting you ready for Halloween. So on this one for Halloween, you just push the button and you will have the Halloween PowerPoint. So you can change the colors in it if you wish. Instead of having the Balloon Coach logo, you can make it your logo. You just simply press the download Halloween PowerPoint and then go onto your computer to upload it and use it within PowerPoint. You enable editing and you can change this around to make it fit your needs for your business. So at this time, I want to just remind you that I'm Joette with ballooncoach.com. Whenever you have a question, you can always ask it in our Balloon Boss Mastermind program. If you're not a member of Balloon Boss Mastermind yet and you want to be a member the next time the doors open, go to ballooncoach.com and click on Balloon Boss Mastermind. Our ballooncoach.com website has been serving the industry since January of 2015. And you can go right here to resources to grow your business to find out more about our yearly event that we hold in Orlando. We have our ongoing group coaching in Balloon Boss Mastermind, and then we also have an online course called Balloon Boss Pro course. You can see any of those trainings that will work best for you, and then we also offer online downloads. On ballooncoach.com is also a free blog. So within that blog, you are able to search different topics. One of the top topics right up here on the top right is our little search key, and you can type things like outdoor. One of the top questions I often get is about how to handle outdoor decor. So this gives you tips and tricks, selling you trainings that you can purchase, or giving you information on great alternatives to using helium for outdoor events, or 5 tips on creating professional outdoor decor. Other tips that a lot of times are asked about is also what to do when a nonprofit asks you to create decor for free for the event. How do you decide what to do? Do you let them know that they get a discount? Do you say that you'll do it for free? So let me see. Sometimes my search doesn't always work the way I want. So let me make sure I have it there. Yeah, so when you type in the word free, it'll say 5 tips to creating sales when nonprofits ask for free balloons. And this gives you great tips and hints on what you want to set up as your policy for your business. And it gives you a script that you can use to educate your clients and help turn them from somebody asking for something for free into a paying client. Guys, I love being here to support you as you grow your thriving balloon business. It's all about taking one step forward each day. When I started in the balloon industry full-time in 2003, the best thing that I ever did was I invested in my business by going to balloon training, meeting other balloon professionals, heeding their advice, and then taking action on it when I got home. So now with ballooncoach.com, I'm here to be your cheerleader to help be your partner in success as you navigate this wild road of being a balloon boss and helping you put systems in place, learning from those of us who've come before you to help you save time and money and support you on this journey. I look forward to working with you in the future. Have a great day. Thanks for stopping by and checking out ballooncoach.com.